Did you know there are billions of dollars set aside every single year just for veterans, but most of it goes completely unused? Programs for contracts, grants, training, and even funding your business exist right now. The problem? Most veterans never even hear about them. In this video, I'm breaking down the 5 hidden money programs most veterans never know about and how you can claim them. Hidden program number 1 is the government contracting set-asides. By law, the federal government has to spend at least 5% of its contracting dollars with service-disabled, veteran-owned businesses. That may not sound like much, but when you're talking about hundreds of billions in federal contracts, that's billions of dollars earmarked for veterans every single year. And these aren't only for giant corporations. Think janitorial services, IT support, logistics, construction, landscaping, even catering. For example, right now the Department of Veterans Affairs has a facility maintenance contract that only SDVOBs can bid on. The Department of Defense also has transportation and logistics contracts set aside just for veteran-owned businesses. If you're certified and registered in sam.gov, these are opportunities you can tap into immediately. Here's an example of a contract awarded to a service-disabled veteran-owned small business. The VA's Mid-South Healthcare Network gave Caduceus Medical Logistics a 1-year indefinite delivery contract to transport lab samples between hospitals and clinics in Tennessee. The deal runs from July 31st, 2025 to July 31st, 2026, with a ceiling of $2.1 million. So far, about $423,000 has been used, leaving roughly $1.7 million available. Caduceus provides everything: drivers, vehicles, fuel, coolers, insurance, and secure systems while following strict safety rules. This is a perfect example of how SDVOSBS can land multi-million-dollar government contracts. Hidden program number 2, SBA Veteran Advantage programs. The Small Business Administration runs a program called Boots to Business, designed to help veterans transition into entrepreneurship. Beyond that, there's the Veteran Advantage Loan Program, where vets can access lower fees and better terms for SBA-backed loans. And here's one most don't know: the Military Reservist Economic Injury Disaster Loan, MREIDL. If you or a key employee gets called back to active duty and your business suffers, the SBA can provide working capital to keep your company afloat. Most veterans never hear about these because they're buried deep in SBA paperwork, but they're real and they're underutilized. There's more into this Boost to Business program, so I suggest you do your own research about it. For me, when I was transitioning from the military, I attended the Boost to Business for entrepreneurs. It showed me basic steps on the path to entrepreneurship transitioning from the Navy. Quick break. This video is sponsored by me. Most of you don't know that I actually have my own coaching program on personal branding and mentorship, from junior to elite level, for entrepreneurs who are ready to take consistent action with support in finding and bidding on upcoming government contracts. This program is perfect for complete beginners who want to get a small business running consistently, all the way up to established businesses who've been crushing it, but want the United States government as their next client. You'll get to work directly with me and my team to reach your goals. Right now, we're open in a few spots only, and this is rare because we usually keep enrollment limited and by selection. So check the link in the description and the pinned comment to apply. If you're serious about government contracting, this is your chance. All right, back to the video. Now, you've probably heard of this one, hidden program number 3, VA benefits for business and career growth. Everyone thinks of the VA just for healthcare, but there's more. The Vocational Rehabilitation and Employment, VR&E program, also called Chapter 31, can fund education, certifications, and even business startup expenses for veterans with service-connected disabilities. This means if you're a vet who wants to start a trucking company, IT service, or construction business, the VA can help cover the cost of your training, your certifications, and in some cases, your equipment. For veterans aiming to transition into civilian entrepreneurship, this program is massively underutilized. Okay, hidden program number 4, state and local veteran grants. Beyond federal programs, many states have veteran-specific resources. Texas Veteran Entrepreneur Program offers business coaching, resources, and funding pathways. California DVBE, Disabled Veteran Business Enterprise, State agencies are required to award 3% of contracts to DVBEs, similar to the federal model, but at the state level. Local counties and cities. Many offer small grants, pitch competitions, or contract preferences. These state and local programs are easier to access than federal contracts and can be a perfect starting point while you build credibility. Our last and final gem, hidden program number 5, nonprofit and private funding. And finally, outside of government, nonprofits and private organizations give away millions to vets every year. Street Shares Foundation Veteran Small Business Grant. Grants ranging from $2,000 to $15,000 for veteran-owned businesses. PenFed Foundation Military Entrepreneur Program provides not just grants, but mentorship and access to capital. Warrior Rising helps veterans become vetrepreneurs by providing mentorship and startup assistance. The best part? These aren't loans. You don't pay them back. They're grants designed to help veteran-owned businesses launch or expand. The competition is strong, but most veterans don't even know how to apply, which means less competition than you think. So let's recap. There are hidden money programs for veterans in government contracts, SDVOB set-asides, SBA loans and disaster relief programs, VA training and self-employment funding, state and local veteran grants, nonprofit and private business grants. The money is there. It's just waiting for veterans who know how to claim it. If you're a veteran and you want to see a step-by-step checklist of these programs, drop the word veteran in the comments or check the link in the description. Don't leave money on the table because these programs were built for you. Now, if you're new here, my name is Jeff Cole. I'm a veteran, entrepreneur, and government contracts coach. I went from cooking meals to winning over 100 contracts worth more than $30 million, and I've been doing this for more than a decade. Here's what I've learned. The same skills that made you successful in the military, discipline, strategy, attention to detail, are the exact skills you need to win government contracts. These opportunities are literally built for us. And while there are a lot of programs out there for veterans, like SBA loans, VA training, state grants, and even nonprofit funding, the truth is, government contracting is where I've built my expertise. It's the lane I know inside and out, and it's the most powerful way I've seen veterans create steady, long-term income. That's why I created a one-on-one coaching program where I walk veterans step by step through getting registered, finding the right contracts, and putting together winning bids. I'll help you use those military skills to turn government contracts into real business opportunities. So, if you're serious about taking action and building a steady stream of income through government contracts, this is your chance. Check the link in the description to apply for my coaching, and let's get you started.